Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. So, did you watch the last video of copywriting? I hope you enjoyed it. So, welcome to the new video of Facebook and Instagram ads. Everyone gets excited when we hear about Instagram and Facebook. So, today we learn how to create Facebook page, Instagram profile, and how to run ad on these online platforms. But make sure that running ads on Instagram and Facebook is one of the key features where we get the leads and response to increase our revenues and business. So, let's enjoy and now see you on the screen.
So now we'll see how to create a Facebook page. For this, we need to go on the menu, then we'll click on page, and here we'll fill in the page name, the category of the page, the bio of the page. Like for example, if we can create a page in the name of Karan Sabharwal 123, category will be public service, and bio can be I am a person. And this is how a page is being created. So now we'll fill in all the details and then we'll go to next. For example, or we can simply click next. After that, we'll add a profile picture and a cover photo and an action button that can be used to call or message according to your requirements. And even a WhatsApp number can be added. So for right now, I can skip it. And then if you want to invite any friends, you can simply send Facebook like invites from here. And then we'll go to next. And this is how a page has been created. So now here a new Facebook page has been created. And if we want to post something, we'll simply go here. And suppose I want to post hello. And I'll click post. And the first post of this page has been made. So in short, this is how Facebook page can be created. Now if we talk about creating ads, for this I'll tell you the most basic method, which is going from the ad center, or we can simply click create ads, and a new page will appear, or just let it be. I'll show you how to create an ad in my own Autobot Detailers page. For this, I'm selecting Autobot Detailers page, and so we are switching to Autobot Detailers. We are switching this page. From here, we'll go into Ad Center. We'll go to Advertise. After that, there are various ways we can get started with automated ads, or we can create a new ad, boost any post, or just boost an Instagram post. So one of the most important part used is create new ads. We click on create new ads. And we'll change the goal from here. There are various goals in which we can get more messages, we can get more Facebook likes, more visits on our website page, get more calls, or we can promote our business locally within the area, get even website visitors, or we can even grow our consumer base by using a form. For now, we'll use get more messages. We'll click on this option and we'll save it. After that, we'll simply put a description here. For example, we have put a description here, and accordingly we can select a media according to our requirements. For example, if I talk about a media has been uploaded here and I'm selecting this media. For now, I'll be using this media, and here I'll be putting the headline. After that, we go here, we'll go down, and we'll select the application on which we want to receive the messages. For example, I want to receive the message only on Instagram. So the Instagram is selected by default, and we can even receive the messages on Facebook Messenger. So now we'll simply select the audience. If we go to the audience, we can create audience using the gender, the age, the location type, the specific location you want to target. After that, we'll select the interest. For example, I want to select auto detailing, yachts, flatbeds. Now these interests can be according to the brand and the type of consumers you want to target. After that, we'll save it, and then we'll move to next. Here comes the ad budget. For example, I want to run ad for $20 a day for 5 days. So the total ad budget would be $100 plus 13% taxes. That comes down to be 113 Canadian dollars. And the ad would run on Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger. And here, if we go, here we can select the payment method. We can even change it or add a new card according to our requirements. So through this method, we can run our ad on Facebook and Instagram. This is one of the most easiest methods. And then we'll click on promote now, and the ad will go in review. And when the ad is being approved, the ad will start automatically running on the Facebook page and Instagram profile. So now I'll tell you how to boost your post on Instagram profile. For this, we'll select the post we want to boost. Then we'll click on boost post. After that, various kinds of options will come: more profile visits, more website views, or more messages. We're simply selecting right now more messages, and then where do we want our messages to come, like what our call to action should be: send message, contact us, and we'll simply select send message. Then we'll go to next. After creating next, we can select the audience, or automatically audience can be selected, or we can create our own audience. We can just give audience name. After that, we can just select the location. For example, I want to target Toronto. After that, we can even do location based targeting where we are based. So after that, we can simply select the location. Then the interest can be added, for example, motor vehicle, or auto detailing, or automotive industry. After that, we'll click next. Then the gender and the age can be selected, like I want to target till the age of 55 or 54. Then male or female, what do we want to target? We click done. Then target expansion will be on, and we can create its name. For example, we can create a name example. After that, it will be done, and then we'll click next. The budget that we want to choose, what will be our daily budget will be, suppose, $15 a day, and the ad will run for 60 days, so it will be 90 days plus taxes. Then we'll review the whole ad, and then we'll click boost post. After that, it'll ask for payment method, but here the payment method has been done because I have added the payment method before. So for right now, this was how to run your ad on Instagram also.
Welcome back, Karan again. So you learned how to create Facebook ads and Instagram ads. This is how we run ads on social media. So now I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next one. Bye bye. Good luck. Till then, see you.